Welcome to the world of insects. In this section, we are going to deal with the topics to be covered in this course. Before starting of any course, it is very much important to know the content of the course. This course mostly deals with entomology department and been presented for semester 5th students. The course number is ENTO 354 and its title is Pest of Crops and Store Grain along with its management practices. If you see the credit load of this particular course, it is 2, means half part is on theoretical base and another half part is on practical base. So first we will look to the theoretical syllabus which is been there found in this particular course. The heart of this course is pest. Then exactly what is pest? Pest in brief means any living organism which causes damage to human resources. But here we are concerned only with those individuals which cause damage to the agricultural commodities. And to know them, it is very much important to know their taxonomical position, means scientific name, order, along with its family, its distribution, where it has been found, and the host range on which different crops it has been located. Also, it has been very much important to know the life cycle along with the biology of that particular insect pest. The most important thing to know is how it damages on the crop and what is the percent level of damage, that we call it as economic threshold level or economic injury level. And the last most important thing is, after knowing the pest, it is very much important to know how to control it so that we can keep away the pest from the field. The theoretical perspectives, the syllabus can be grouped in different sections. We will see them one by one along with its percent weightage. Group 1. In this group, cereal crops are being taken, of whose major pest we are going to see. The cereals which we are going to study under this group are rice, that is paddy, sorghum, that is jawar, maize, bajra, wheat, and from minor millets we are going to see barley. In cumulative form, all this particular syllabus for under group 1 contains 20% of. Under group 2 we are going to cover all the pulses, the major pests being seen on the most important pulse, that is tur, we call it as pigeon pea, along with gram, we call it as chickpea. Also, we are going to cover the pest being located on moong, urd bean, cowpea, and some minor peas also. The total topic of pulses is been weightaged for 10%. Group 3, an important and very larger group under which several crops are been found. That group is oilseed group, under which we are going to see some major pests being located on different oilseed crops such as groundnut, castor, sunflower, safflower, mustard, linseed, soybean, sesame, that is we call it as locally till, along with Niger crop. The total group of oilseed on the basis of the mark weightage contains 20%. This is one of the most important group under which different cash crops are being considered. The most important cash crop is cotton. Also, another most important cash crop is sugarcane. Leaving apart that, minor fiber crops such as sun hemp and mesta is also included in group 4, of whose mark weightage is 20%. Also, we are under group 5. We are going to see, living apart pest. There are several non-insect pests which are also being seen in the field, which cause several damages to the agricultural commodities such as crabs, snails and sludges, millipedes, mites, rodents, birds and squirrels. All these non-insect pests study includes a mark weightage of 10%. Till now, in the syllabus, we had seen the major pest being found in the field crops along with the non-insect pests. But now, in group 6, we are going to study the pest mostly been found in the stored agricultural produce, mostly the grains, under which we are going to see its biology, how it damages, its classification, that is, which are primary store grain pest, which furtherly get classified into internal feeder pests, external feeder pest, along with secondary store grain pest. Also, we are going to see non-insect pests associated with the store grain along with its management practices. In the management practices, we are going to see how to prevent or either how to cure the pest after being seen in the stored produce, and also what are the different methods of storing the grains and how to prepare the different store grain structures. All this information we are going to see in group 6, whose mark weightage is 20%. After knowing the theoretical topics to be covered under this syllabus, it is very much important to know the list of different books to be seen to make our syllabus more firm and can understand it very well, for which these are some of the important books which can be used for studying this particular syllabus. The most important book is of Atwal and Dhaliwal. The book title is Agricultural Pest of South Asia and Their Management. Another book is David and Ramamurthy. The book title is Elements of Economic Entomology. The most important book is of Pediogo. The title is Entomology and Pest Management. Also, you can refer the book of Venugopal Roy, whose title is Insect Pest Management. Leaving apart all this, in short, if you want to refer, you are always welcomed to refer the theoretical notes. So, this is the end of the section. Good day.